my very last video of the year. It's my last video ever in this year. Yeah, so anyway, this is just going to be a short one. It's a follow-up to what I did yesterday. And if you haven't seen that one, I will link it right about here. And so what I'm doing here is I'm going to see if the eggnog that it's not really eggnog at all, the nog that I made yesterday with oat milk, coconut milk, aquafaba, sugar, and nutmeg, and then some booze, actually will ice cream. So I'm going to just kind of like mix this together so that it's incorporated, and I'm going to grab my ice cream receptacle. I wanted to grab it at the very last minute and I want this to look like an ice cream base. So maybe you can focus in a little bit more on that. Okay. So this is pretty much what an ice cream base should look like. It should have some froth to it, and this is about the right consistency for that. So I'm hopeful that this will work. Let's see. Let me go ahead and put this on. Situate this guy. Okay, and I'm just gonna test this because it's been a hot minute since I've used it, and it's working. So we're gonna go ahead and just pour this in, and I will wipe my table off in a minute. I'm not very concerned about that. Just gonna pour it in. And I still have some left, but that's okay. Well, yeah, I don't really want to overfill this because it may not freeze solid if I do. So let's get a little view on the top of this. So we're gonna get a top view, and I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes and check it then. It looks like it's already starting to freeze. That may just be the phone. So we will come back in about 10 minutes and take a look. Well, let's do 5 minutes, and then we'll take a look at it and go from there. Okay, so our timer has gone off. It's been 5 minutes. Do you want to bring this over here again, and I'll show you what's going on in here. There are a little bit of changes happening, and you can see there's thickening right there. I'm just going to grab a little of this and see what it's like. It's colder. It definitely needs more time. Definitely needs more time, but in my experience with this machine, it takes about 20 minutes usually, so I'm just going to keep checking it every 5 minutes, and I'll show you what that looks like each time. All right, so we are about halfway through here, and let's take a look again. You can see it's starting to thicken up, and there is more movement. Like, it's definitely thicker than it was. So I'm going to try it again. Oh yeah, that's a lot thicker. It's becoming ice cream.
Stop.
Yay!
Stop, sir.
It's gonna ice cream. So 10 more minutes. We'll come back in 5 and I'll show you what it looks like at 15. So this is definitely changing. Like it's really freezing now. Bring it over here. You can see what's going on in there. I'm gonna take a little. It's holding on the spoon a little easier. Yeah, it's freezing really nicely. I think in 5 minutes this will be ready to put in the freezer.
Yay!
Yay! Woo! All right, we're back and this is looking great. It's got some lumps to it, but I'm just gonna try it. It's really good. That's really good. Okay, so we are going to unmold this now. That looks pretty good. And I always wipe my, you can, I guess. Daughter wants to try it. Yeah, it's actually coming off of here really nicely too. It's a little thinner than I would like to see, but I also know that if I take it too far, then it freezes to the sides and it can be hard to get that off. So this is actually kind of perfect, and I'm going to put it right in the freezer once it goes in here. If I were doing this in the summertime, I would probably actually let it go for a bit longer just to really freeze it, but it's not summer. So that looks great. So right now it's got the consistency of soft serve. You could eat some of this if you wanted to. This is what it looks like. And it's gonna go in the freezer and I'm gonna let it set up for about 2 hours and we're gonna check on it then.
Yum.
So we will see you then. Hi there, we are back and now we are going to sample what we froze. And, uh-oh.
It's quite soft.
Well, it's very soft. I had a little bit of a problem because the freezer door opened and I hadn't realized that it had done that. But it's still scoopable. So this normally would have frozen harder. Yeah. But we're just gonna go with it because, yeah, it'll be fine. It will be fine, I swear. And you don't probably want more than 2 scoops of this because it does have booze in it. And it's still fairly rich, even being vegan. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this back.
Do you hear?
All right, let's give it a go.
Yes. Hello, Shelly.
All right.
Hello, everyone.
It's very good. It does have more crystals than typical ice cream would. And I would attribute that to the probably amount of liquid that's in the alcohol, as well as it being oat milk and not as concentrated fats wise. So I think if you really wanted to amp that up and get rid of the crystallization part, and you just wanted to make an ice cream, you could get away with using a rum extract and a little more coconut. And I think it would work. But yeah, this is really good. So yes, it will nog. It will then make ice cream for you if you don't want to continue eating, like consuming it as nog, which I mean, not everyone does. And the nice thing about that too is it'll keep a lot longer. I know some people age eggnog. I've never actually tried that myself because it doesn't usually last very long. And I've done this before, like where I have made the nog and then I just made it into ice cream because why not? So, Happy New Year. Thank you for being a part of our YouTube family. And yeah, like, share, subscribe. And I will see you next year in 2026. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? This year went by really quickly.
We did a lot of stuff, though.
We did a lot of stuff. It's true. We sold our house. We moved here. It was a lot. It really was. So,
we started this channel.
Yeah. And it's just been, it's been a wild ride.
Indeed.
But we're having a good time. And I hope you are too, wherever you are. Bye.
Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.